Hello, this is Jane Gardner of the Business of At-Home Business, and it's day 23 of the 30-day video challenge. My day 22 didn't go too well because I forgot all about it, as you can see from my day 22 video. That was an unsightly sight. And you can see why I'm not going to be doing webcam from laptop. Not a good idea. Anyway, today I wanted to talk at the end of the week about a couple of things that I actually found out fairly quickly, and I posted about on Google Chrome, Google Stream today, but I found out at the end of this week some very useful information. The first one is dispostable. And yes, I am tempted to show you and to spell it out, etc. But I'm trying to speak clearly, and I also put it in the box for this. So it's dispostable.com. This is a great little website. I'm not sure why they volunteered to do this, but a lot of developers use this website. They have what they call an email creator, and you can put in any first name, address at dispostable.com, and they create a inbox for you on the website there, and you can do some tests with your emails that you create there very quickly. And they only keep the inbox for 3 days. So what you can do is, I find that I only have about 3 or 4 emails that I've set up for my provider, where I can send out an email and then go look in my inbox and see if I got the email. I'm setting up an autoresponder, I'm setting up a membership site, I'm setting up a JVSU account, and there's all these test buttons to see if everything is working correctly in your sales funnel, or even just signing up a new member. Well, with this website, you can just create any email, test one at dispostable.com, and then you add it as a new member into your membership software and see whether it signs it all up correctly. And then what happens is, on the website, books has been created just for that email address, and within a couple of seconds, hopefully, you'll receive the email that's been created for your member with all the details, so you can see if you formatted it correctly and if it's picked up all the information correctly, and given a password for the so-called new member very quickly. And then, of course, you can delete it. So you can see that it's been working, and you don't have to use your own Gmail address to do this. So it saves certainly Gmail space, and it can be very easy to use. So I'm looking forward to using that when I set up an autoresponder and do a test message, because there's only so many Jane Gardner, etc. that I have on my account. So this is great. I love that. And I did a little video on that on the Google profile. You can go and have a look at Jane Gardner Business at gmail.com, my profile page, and you'll see the app about that. The other thing that I sort of came across today was, I was looking at a Google Analytics information, and they were saying someone had sent out an email post about how you can very easily put all the analytics, all the data from your analytics at Google Analytics into a Google Sheet. And of course, it's just an add-on. So of course, it's going to be easy. You don't have to do it yourself. So I was looking at that, and it said, oh, and you can also try out this Google Page Chrome extension, where you can look at a page and see where everybody who lands on that page, where they're actually sort of looking at on the page. So I did a little video on that of my homepage, and it shows, well, at the top of it, it shows my poor visitors, but on the actual, it has a actual homepage there, it shows there's 32% of them hit the logo at the top of the house. 32% of them went down and clicked on the Google Plus information. And I think only 4%, which is probably like 2 people, clicked on the actual opt-in box for the free book. So this way you can use this Google page extension for, you just add it into your Google Chrome, and it has a little logo there of Google Analytics. And anytime you're on your website, of course, that you have registered in Google Analytics, which is businessatathomebusiness.com for me, it shows when you're on either any of the pages where people have clicked, as well as what the traffic is to the page. So that's quite useful. I'll certainly be using that to try and redesign my pages in my website. So I've been had a fairly successful week that way, and that I've learned a couple new tools to do things with my business. One of them is dispostable.com, and the other was I've installed the Google Analytics Page View Chrome extension into Google Chrome, and I'll be using that to reformat my website, which I knew needed a reformatting, and new opt-ins, etc., for my business once I get time. So today is the day 23 of the 30-day video challenge, and I'm going to probably go out without looking too much over to the other side. Out with my outro today, because I think I've got it all set up. So thank you very much. No, I don't.